In this video, I'll guide you through how to create an item and track inventory in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and which fields to fill in so your products are set up correctly and your stock levels stay accurate. Let's start from the very beginning. Open your browser and go to books.zoho.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your Zoho account so you can access your organization's Zoho Books dashboard. Give it a moment to load and you should land on the main home screen of Zoho Books. Now we'll turn on inventory tracking, which is essential if you want Zoho Books to keep track of your stock levels automatically. Look to the top right corner of your screen and find the gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click the gear icon to open the settings panel. Inside the settings area, look for the section related to items. Depending on your layout, this might be labeled simply as items or appear under a broader settings category, but it will clearly say items. Go ahead and click on items. This is where you control how products and services are handled in your account. On the item settings page, you'll see an option labeled Enable Inventory Tracking. Now, this is the key setting that allows Zoho Books to track quantities in stock, quantities sold, and quantities purchased. Check the box next to Enable Inventory Tracking. Once this is checked, Zoho Books will start treating your items as inventory, not just as simple products on invoices. After you've enabled inventory tracking, use the navigation to go back out of the settings section. You can do this by clicking the back button in your browser or by using the menu links that take you back to the main Zoho Books interface. Now look to the left-hand side of the screen. You should see a vertical menu with different modules like dashboards, sales, purchases, and so on. In that menu, find and click on Items. This takes you to the main items module where you can see all of the products and services you've set up so far. Once you're on the items page, you may see a list of existing items or an empty list if you're just getting started. At the top of this page, look for a button labeled New. This is what you'll use to add a brand new item. Click on New to open the item creation form. Now it's time to fill out the details for your item. First, enter a clear descriptive name. This is what will appear on invoices, bills, and reports. So choose something that you and your team will recognize immediately. Next, select the item type. This is typically something like goods for physical products or services for non-physical work, but choose whatever best fits your use case. Then set the unit such as piece, box, hour, or any other unit that makes sense for how you sell or purchase this item. Below that, you'll see sections for sales information and purchase information. In the sales information area, enter the selling price you normally charge your customers and make sure the income account is correct so revenue is categorized properly. In the purchase information area, enter the cost price you usually pay your vendors and make sure it's linked to the right expense or cost of goods sold account. Taking a moment to set these up accurately will make your reports and profit margins much more reliable. Once you've entered the name, type, unit, and all relevant sales and purchase details, review everything for accuracy. When you're happy with the information, scroll down if needed and click Save. That's it. You've created a new item and enabled inventory tracking for it in Zoho Books. So from now on, every sale and purchase involving this item will help keep your stock levels up to date automatically.